What's up, everyone? If you are located in a country where ChatGPT and other AI models are not working, there's a quick fix. If you go to the Google Chrome settings or any browser settings, there should be this section, privacy and security, and you go there and click on security, and there you should see. Now for some, this option will not be available. I have a YouTube video on this channel that you can go and watch and to fix how to make this available, basically. So after you enable this option, what you have to do is put down this string, this text, to use your own DNS provider. And here we have a bunch of them, but I've just put this value. And most people, when they just leave and restart their browser, it usually doesn't work, because I have this ChatGPT without VPN. But that's what we're trying to do, because we want to be able to use these chatbot models without using VPN. So after you paste this value, make sure you exit the browser, and very important, just hold down Control Alt and delete, click delete, and go to the task manager. And this is where we have to exit all the running processes by Google Chrome. Now I'll just pause the video. Now I ended all instances of the Google Chrome. As you can see, there are currently no instances running by Google Chrome. So let's exit the task manager and restart the Chrome. I choose the profile. And now if we go to the ChatGPT, there you go. So this is how you do it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and ask any questions if you have down below.